Hello everyone! Welcome to Evangelina's Craft. Today, it's another haul that I'm gonna share with you guys. Delivery is picking up, so I didn't realize or I didn't expect that my online purchase from Amazon came in yesterday. So I am very excited to share with you what I got from Amazon. I got a lot of cabochons, I must tell you, so it's gonna be a long video, but I'll try my best to make it short. Anyway, I got this from Amazon. This is a glue gun. I mean, it's about high time that I wanted a new one, and I want to get with a really small tip compared to the glue gun I currently have. I think this will work best for me. And with this one, I also got some glue sticks together with it. So that's one over here. Put that aside. And I also got some artificial flowers. I really didn't expect this to be big ones, but that's okay because I also got some leaves, and they're just pretty artificial flowers. With lots and lots of them. So I just don't know how many pieces these are, but this will really make great in projects that doesn't need cards, or it can work as well also with cards or journals or albums. And together with this, I also bought I got these sleeves. I didn't realize there was this big, but good thing I got this one, so it will really work perfectly well with those ones, okay? Then I got my grandchild from my niece a pair of rubber shoes. And have you heard about the character Peppa? Oh my god, I just love this cartoons, and I just love it. Even now, I still keep on watching it. So look at the rubber shoes that I got for her. Isn't that adorable? Okay, so I got that one. And I also got her some play cards. You know, this is the ABC play cards, and we got the color, shapes, and numbers, and the addition flashcards. So these are flashcards, and I'm pretty sure she's gonna enjoy this one, although she hasn't turned 3 yet, but you know, this is gonna be very useful for her. And now I got a lot of cabochons and a lot of bead items for bead making. So I bought this. These are wing beads that you can use for making your beads. I've seen some of this in YouTube on how to make it, and it looks pretty nice. So I got those one. And I also got some tiny charms. I will try my best to show everything, but I will just lay it down, some of the pieces, and this is very nice. These are really nice charms that you could use for bead making or jewelry making. See, I'll just try my best to. They come in. Others come in 3 pieces. Other comes in 2 pieces, and these are very nice charms. Okay, I'll just lift up some of it. I'm not gonna show everything because it's gonna take a long time, but I purchased this from Amazon. See? Maybe a few more. I think this is like 75 or 80 pieces. Yeah, I think this is 80 pieces. And some of them have comes in pairs, some in 3. See, they're so pretty. I hope you can see it. They have a lips, and they're so pretty small. Just nice to put in a keychain or a tassel that you're making for your albums. All right. So I'm just gonna put this back here. There. Okay. And on to the next. Okay. And here are some cabochons that I also purchased in Amazon. These are really lovely. I'll just, put them, show you pretty quick. Because it's gonna take a lot of time just to show you this. But they're so really cute. There. Because I wanted to share you the what they have so that you'll be inspired if you want to. They have a good quality and these pieces is nothing comes in pairs. They're all different. Okay, just lift this up so that you could see it clearly. There. They're so cute. Really cute. Nice for cards and nice for bead making. So I'll just roll this up again and just slide it over here. All go there, okay. Then there's another one that I got, and this is really cute. Look at this, guys. See, and it has a butterfly container. Maybe this one I'm not gonna show everything because it's and this one only goes in 2 pairs, and I think this is around 50 pieces, and you got different characters. You got a squirrel here, you got a teddy bear, and flowers, you got a dinosaur. I'm not showing you the right way. And some tiny rabbits. They're so pretty. There's an elephant too. Actually, this one here is also nice. That one. There. You can see it there. And also there's an owl here. Look at that owl. Really nice. And look at that rocking horse. So pretty. So that one I got from Amazon, and it's from the Winting Craft Supplies. When you go to Amazon, I will not share the link. When you go to Amazon, just type in Cabochons and everything will pop up over there. And I got another one from that same seller. This is really pretty. So cute. I can't wait to make projects out of it. It also has a teddy bear shaped container, and those are the pieces. This is really nice, tame pastel coloring light. See? Just show you so you could just see. Yeah. Okay. It's more or less you have an idea, or you can see how it goes. I think this also goes in pairs. There you go. I hope you can see that. got a flower. Look at this one. It is so pretty. They got a cactus. And look at this butterfly. Ain't it so cute? Yeah. And many, many more. I wish I could show all of them, but and there's a little card there. But they are really gorgeous and super cute. So that's it. I got that too. And then next I have this from another seller, another cabochon. Let me just show you this one pretty quick. And this one doesn't all, these are 50 pieces and it doesn't also come in pairs. They're all different designs, one of each, which is nice because, you know, at least you get to pick, different designs from this. So hope you can see it from here. You know, I don't want to move my camera, so I'll just, you know, bring this up to you guys. There, see? At least you have an idea how it looks like, and they're so pretty cute. That's the one. And then let me just put that back in the container again. I'll just have to grab it. Alright, look at that cute ice cream man. And hello, the Hello Kitty is so cute too. Okay, they are so fun. And they have a little baby bottle. Got some shoes, slippers, a whale, a lollipop. Here's another shoe. Yeah. I really don't know how they do this, but kinda, I think yes, these are resin, but I just don't know how really they do this one. And then more cabochons, and the last cabochons I think that I will share is for Halloween. I'm telling you, I am getting ready for Halloween. Oops. This is pretty cute too. Oh my goodness. Look at this, guys. And this, from this seller, they also have, they don't have repeats. They come in one design. Okay, there you go. At least in the back, in the white, you can see how it looks like. See, there it goes. You can see the design there. They have also this pop cola thing here. But look at this girl. This is so pretty. And what you do, you just, there is this thing, the bail, that you can just stick it on here and use it, and you can use this in a keychain. You can put this, you can adhere it to your cell phone to give. That's for Halloween. That's so pretty. Okay, and then I guess this is the last of my cabochons. And then let's just set it aside there. I also got this flowers, artificial flowers. And I'm not gonna open it up anymore. Well, maybe I can, why not? Okay, so that you can see how it really looks like. Some roses. They're really pretty roses. See, that's how it is. And they got orange. Very nice for cards. This I intend to use in cards, really cards. Okay. I also got, I think this is the last one from what I haul, is this really cute little flowers. It's made out of mulberry paper. This is 50 pieces, but it's a bit expensive. I bought this for $5 something. A bit expensive for just a few flowers. But anyway, I hope you enjoy my haul today. This is what I got. Lots of cabochons. And until my next project, I will come and share with you what I have. It's either I hauled something or I made a project out of this one. You have a good day, and I'll see you again soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.